Nakarating ka lang sa ibang bansa, akala mo kung sino ka na. Unlearning generational cycles is not disrespectful, it's not anti-Filipino, and it's not being Americanized. It's actually healing, and honestly, it's love. A lot of us grew up thinking culture was something you never ever question, but we forget culture was built by people, and people can grow. And when something we inherit starts to hurt more than help, it's okay to stop and say, maybe I don't want to pass this down. Things like, I never talk about feelings, equating love with sacrifice, tolerating abuse because family is family, believing your worth is tied to how much you suffer for others. That's not culture, that's trauma. If we don't unlearn it, we end up handing it to our kids and calling it tradition. Culture should evolve with us. We're the culture now. Tayo na yung culture ng mga nakababata sa atin. So, dapat nagtatanong din tayo sa sarili kung tama ba to, akma ba to sa gusto kong maging. Eto bang gusto kong maalala nila sa akin pagdating ng araw. You can still love your parents and set boundaries. It's not one or the other. You can still be proud of your roots while building something better. You can still teach your kids respect without raising them in fear. It's not betrayal. Hindi ito pagtatalikod sa kultura natin. Oh yeah, I'm unlearning a few things, not because I hate my culture, but because I want to help it grow. Culture isn't just preserving, it's also progressing. Kasi gusto kong mapaganda natin ito dahil makikita mong nagbago tayo para umunlad. And if that's you as well, follow this page. Let's break the cycles together with grace, not guilt. Have a nice day.